Alright guys, this is just going to be a quick one. It is September the 8th. Getting ready for winter. Some people are going to go, oh, that's a piss poor brood pattern. Well, if you look in close, you can see they backfilled all that with nectar. This is the second deep up. Today's video is going to be about telling the age. What are you seeing on the frame? Telling the age of the bees. Looking at the darker color, that is the oldest brood. That will hatch first. As it gets out a little further, you get into lighter colored cappings. Get a little further out, lighter colored cappings, a little lighter, a little lighter. Don't know if you should be able to see the larva there. There's young larva here, and there's eggs all the way out to here. So this queen is laying in whatever spot she can, but that's just a quick little video on what you see when you pull out a frame of brood. That way it tells you, okay, within the next week, this part's going to hatch out. Week and a half, 2 weeks, along those roads. I'll do another video when I get on down in the bottom showing what I'm looking for when I get in the heart of the brood chamber. But just a quick tip video. Thanks for watching.